For sure, bro.
Sharp, sharp. Yeah, so I see a question here. Where's the question? Where's the question? Where's the question? Excuse. It was part of the comments. Where is it? I thought I pinned it. The comments just keep on going back. Oh yeah, here's the question by Manasoza. So liquidity by Tsiaka is Akabon, meaning where does the liquidity get money from? Let me make you understand something, my guy, or who is a liquidity in reality. Liquidity is Citibank. Liquidity is Swiss Bank. Liquidity is, I don't know if it's Japan Bank or whatsoever, Mara Bankama China, whether it's China Bank or Japan Bank or something, Mara, yeah, that one, it's there. Liquidity is Barclays, which is for English. I think it's England. I think it's based in England. The two more, I forgot them. Did I count Citigroup? I think I did. So basically, liquidity is banks, international banks, not ABSA, not Capitec, not Time Bank. Those ones are small time. Those ones can only afford to give you credit to buy a car or to give you credit to buy a house or start a business. They cannot participate in the Forex market. They don't have enough capital to participate in the industry, right? So I'm talking about big players in the game worth hundreds of billions. So it's a combination of various financial institutions joining together. Do you guys understand? So it's like this. If I were to explain what is a liquidity in short, I'm going to put it in a manner that you're going to understand perfectly fine. Patrice Motsepe, Cyril Ramaphosa, the president. I'm looking for well-known rich guys in the country, wealthy guys. Jacob Zuma. Sorry to use politicians, but yeah, those are the people who are coming to my mind. I want the fourth one. The fourth one can be who? Wealthy guys. I want wealthy guys. Or Rupert family. So Patrice Motsepe, Cyril, Jacob Zuma, the Rupert family. So those guys are wealthy, right? All of them are wealthy. So what do these guys do? They create a society. So each and every one of them donates how much? 1 billion rand. Cyril takes out 1 billion, Jacob Zuma 1 billion, Ramaphosa 1 billion, and Rupert 1 billion. It amounts to what? 4 billion. Then they form what we call a liquidity institution. But who owns that liquidity institution? It's them, those four guys. Right? The liquidity is worth how much? 4 billion. Now they go online. I am FBK Market. I go to them and I'm like, look, I need a liquidity. Somebody who's willing to, a liquidity is somebody who's willing to take a risk on behalf of the broker. Do you guys understand? Sharp. After that, they're saying Zuma ain't rich. I was just giving examples, guys. I was giving an example. Don't take it personal. Or you want me to use your father as an example? McTim, I can use your father if you want me to use your father, because you're going to disturb the example now. People will not pay attention. If you want me to use your father, tell me. Because now I was just using random well-known names so that you can understand. I get it? Sharp. Now, after that, I approach them and I say, I'm looking for a liquidity. They say, no, coach, we'll give you a liquidity. How many clients do you have? I'm like, no, I have 50,000 clients. Okay, how much is your average deposit? I'm like, no, with my 50,000, my average deposit is about 50 million. They say, okay, no problem, we'll accept you, right? What they do is this. Now, after that, there's gonna be like a lot of paperwork, insurances, and blah, 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 all those things, right? After that, they are the ones who are offering me the systems. They own the codes, basically, in short. They deliver the codes to me. They deliver the codes to me, everything there. The price is in real time and whatsoever, right? What they need from me is to maintain clients, bring clients to them indirectly, because they don't want to take the responsibility of talking to a client. They don't want customer service. They are investors. They don't care about customer service, right? So after that, after I sign up with them, then automatically any loss that you occur on the market is basically making them richer. That 4 billion, they have it as an insurance to pay any possible profits that traders might make. So being a liquidity provider is risky, but currently is the safest strategy ever. I'm going to make you understand. Out of all the 50,000 clients that I have in FBK markets, 75% of those clients cannot trade. When I say cannot trade, I mean they don't know what they're doing. But claim, literally, they don't know what they're doing, right? Sharp. Only what? 25% makes money. Now that simply means that per 1,000 that is deposited by each and every client, which is going to amount to basically, if one client deposits to 1,000 rand, it's going to amount to 50 million, right? Total. I take that 50 million as it is, but I've already explained the process of crediting and whatnot between a broker and a liquidity. So I'll just say it in the sense that I take that 50 million to what? To the liquidity, right? Then the liquidity already knows that out of that 50 million, more than 75% of that money is going to come to them. Meaning that if 75% of 50 million is 35 million, they know they have 35 million profit. Now the 15 million that knows how to trade, the worth of the 15 million there's only so much that they can do. Maybe they can do like an extra 5 million, which amounts to 20 million. So means that the liquidity loses an extra 5 million on top of their potential profits. Instead of getting 35, they're going to get 30. So being a liquidity is just a matter of having a lot of money as an insurance, and then you're going to get more rich. So that is a monthly behavior. Every month the liquidity makes 30 million rand, not doing anything. Do you guys understand how a liquidity makes more money? They only make money because of one reason. You guys don't know what you're doing. Literally, you are the worst traders in human history. You guys are claiming. You guys are claimers. By Langkor, they know what they're doing. You can literally point. Okay, this one knows what they're doing. You can literally point. Myself, I know what I'm doing. Marco knows what he's doing. My new friend, Doctor, knows what he's doing. And a couple of traders, they know what they're doing. Lena ba bangala claim Lena. Merkwal na good donator, which is fine though. So I hope I've answered your